In this video we're going to look at Cadline's WebGIS MapThat to enable us to run land charges and Con29 reports. If we wanted to understand if our area of interest for planning was affected by any environmental constraints, we could simply tick to turn those layers on from the left hand side. We might also be interested in other constraints, such as are there any listed buildings, contaminated land, or in this case adopted highways near the planning. Finally, we might be interested to know, are there any other planning applications that might affect this specific site. By left clicking on individual features in the map, we can identify what type of planning applications are already near our site, or what type of adopted highway is within reach of the site, and what environmental constraints or concerns are there by clicking on the green spaces, contaminated land and parks. Using the MapThat Area search tool, we've always had the ability to undertake spatial analysis to understand what constraints might be near or within a certain distance of our proposed planning application. By applying the buffer, we can select the features and also export those features to an Excel file, which could then create our Con29 report. In this case, it's just filtering the features within the map, and geographically we can see what might be affected by our planning application. However, using the new report generator tool, we can clear our map because we don't need to physically display the layers of concern. We're simply going to use the drawing tools to draw our proposed planning application into a new layer. We could draw a point, a line or a polygon to represent that planning application, and in this case I'm drawing a polygon for the extents of the new planning application. Within the attributes, we now choose which report we want to run, so it could be a land charges report, or in this case Con29. We could put some additional notes and also a search number in, all of which will be added to the report once it's run. If we now save that record, press OK, MapThat is behind the scenes running our Con29 report, and within seconds, from the Edit Tools, Report Generator, View Reports menu, our report has been run. We can click on that particular record, choose the Download PDF button, and our report is ready for us. The reports are fully configurable by your MapThat administrator to add in as many layers as you want to and to choose the columns of data you wish to display. This enables you to create as many types of reports as you need.